Good everyone, let's hear from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is 4th of July 2023 and I'll be analyzing RED5 Limited, which the SX code is RED. This is a gold mining company that has started producing back in December 2022, has generating revenue year on year out of royalties, and from this financial year we might see a big spike on the revenue as a result of the latest production ramp up. This is a stock that one of our VIP members has requested us to analyze. So remember, this is a high-level analysis. So if you're going to buy the stock, make sure you do your own due diligence in order to make a decision. This is not a financial advice. So this is this analysis is based on the latest investor presentation and its latest market update for the last quarter. RED5 main asset is in WA, Australia. You know how we like projects, especially gold projects in Australia, not overseas, especially not in Africa. As we're seeing a lot of unstable government, and some might even have to shut down for some government restriction in some not so stable jurisdiction, which is not the case for this particular project. The main project called King of Hills, mining life of 15 years with good processing plant capacity of 4.7 million tons per annum. Also, the market capitalization for this company is around $690 million. The company also receives royalties, about 3.25% net smelter royalty over the SAYONA gold mining project. And that is what has been sustaining some good revenue for this company over the last 4 financial years. And then obviously at some stage the company was even profitable. What are we looking at here now? Obviously with this net loss in FY21 and FY22, mostly a result of the company having to spend a lot of money to get this project online, we're potentially going to see the net loss start shrinking even further and the revenue going up, which should reflect on the share price. The good thing when the company has started producing are the SX updates. Normally, the company keeps breaking records in its production. When you start from zero, it's very easy to break records. But with King of the Hills, has delivered 3rd consecutive month of record gold production with 19,000 ounces produced in May 2023. Which is very good, shows that the company is on track with its production ramp up. With higher all-sustaining cost than average, this company still showed to be a good opportunity in the sense that the more the company start ramping up its production, the more we're probably going to see an improvement on the all-on sustainable cost as well. So obviously it's a lot higher than its peers like Northern Star, Newcrest, and even Resolution Mining, but it is a junior company that has just started to produce gold out of this project. So let's have a look on the stock price, what's happening from the technical perspective. Okay, we see a big jump when the pre-production phase, obviously. We saw this big jump from the stock, from the share price from pretty much 15 cents all the way to 28 cents, almost a double in price, and then it crashes after the production as the company raised capital at 13.5 cents. That was pretty cruel for shareholders, but now the company is capitalized and the share price has started to bounce from the low levels, from the levels of the capital raising offer. Then we have seen a couple of spikes on the share price ever since. So from 13 cents and a half, let's just measure that to have a look what's happening. How was the percentage from the low here? We saw a rally of 48%, and then another rally of 30, another rally of 40%, and now it's sort of sitting a little bit above the SMA 40, which honestly, now looking closely, this at the formal area for the short term, but it's still a technically fair price for the long-term chart formation. This chart suggests me that I would even hold stock if I have bought already, which is not my case. I haven't actually bought already yet. But if I was going to buy the stock, I would wait the candles to come under the SMA 40, which again brings the price to technically discounted levels. And that's where we want to be buying this stock. If we miss the boat on the 1st of June, so we probably will see at some stage the stock coming back to 16.5 cents, and that's probably where we want to snap some of these shares. So this shows a solid reversal, higher lows here and higher highs. Looks like we could see a bounce back from this high or a continuation of this rally. If I was holding the stock, I would be probably targeting around 28 cents to sell and then potentially buy the stock back again when it falls under the pink and the red line. So my suggestion on this stock, my view on this stock as per the chart formation, is to hold, but not buy yet until the next higher low. Once we have the higher low, then I will be topping up or entering into a position. If I'm going to project what we could see here on this particular stock, I'll probably be looking at something like this from now, which would bring, I don't have much space here, but which would bring level point B here. That's where we want to be buying, around 16 cents. If the share price comes down to 16 cents, which represents a potential fall of 24%, at least 20% fall from today's 20 cents share price, then that's where I would probably be buying this stock. Volumes has kept reasonably high in comparison to before the production has started. But then obviously there was a loss of interest during this downturn, and then the share price starts spiking again with the latest result, which we saw here when the company announced the production record on 7th of June. Remember, it's very easy to announce production record if you have just started. So ideally, what we want to see a continuation of this record production within the following month in order to sustain further rally on the stock price. So this is my view. Hold, not buying yet until the stock falls into technically discounted price. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.